Good afternoon. InfoCVI Student TV greets you. It is new broadcast. My name is Julia, and now we are going to sum up all the information for today. Let's start with the part of worldwide information. For the last time often happened the case of unfair dismissal all over the world. Chinese director of the Tianshine Corporation fired his subordinate because of absurd mistake. She brought a coffee without cream, and the director of technical innovation was forcing her employer to work overtime for 3 months in London. In USA, Michigan, the head of world-famous advertising company fired his employer because of spoiled suit. It seems that nothing horrible has happened, but wretched boss fired young woman, the only breadwinner in her family. She has 2 children. Our special correspondent, Riza, will tell you details.
Hello, it's Riza. We are reporting from the place where the case in unfair dismissal happened this morning. The head of advertising company, Mrs. Smith, fired subordinate in rage because she poured a glass of water on his trousers.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm sorry, boss, I didn't want.
Go away immediately! You are fired!
We spoke with several witnesses of this accident.
We have heard our boss shouting on somebody. Suddenly, Margaret ran out of his office and crying. She was crying and asking for pardon, but our boss was inexorable. He ordered her to pack her stuff and to go away. It's a pity that Margaret is fired now. She is bringing up 2 children, and nobody knows what will happen with her.
Now we are going to find out if similar cases happened before in this company.
I have been working here 10 years. Mr. Smith became the head a year ago, and he showed himself as angry and impatient person. He finds us for the smallest mistakes. We are working constantly in fear.
We advised Margaret, who was sacked, to call her lover and to ask for trial, because Mr. Smith infringed upon the law that is written in Constitution.
Well, and it's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.